Okay, well, just for a change, I thought I'd show you this new nitro powered Four Pines Stout. It's a nitro stout. The pouring instructions are on the bottle. It says flip it and pour it hard. The thing about this is you need the biggest cup you've got, and all I have is my good old Homer Simpson mug here. So the way you pour it is that. And then let it settle. Okay, so she's settled down now. It's got a nice bit of head on there, not too much. Now the first time I poured one of these, I poured it into a 425ml glass, and it just overflowed. So you really got to think about, they're only a 330 milliliter stubby, but they seem to have quite a lot in them, and they really do fluff up at the start. So yeah, anyway, apart from that, it just tastes like a nice stout. Yeah, the instructions say chill for 24 hours. It doesn't need to be very cold. The first one I tried was nowhere near cold enough. And was a bit shit. But apart from that, she's good.